See there? Car come. Car parts. Hello. Right here, so you have see there? Then rent car right here, so you see this is a car rental mart. 42 West Street.
If you don't know the song, you can call me Videographyer of the next media. Good luck.
No, I'm not ready yet. I get something on the road. Yeah. Over there, see you there. Yeah, show them how going in town. Yeah, man. Yeah, these none active. The general there, you know. The land, ma. Yeah, man. So if people want your service, how they can reach there?
56887.
Alright. Yeah, who them for sir?
Mr. Kelly.
Mr. Kelly, alright?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, bless up. Yeah, I know, man. They're right in the town, people. Right in the important town in town. That's a show no what go on, that's it. Show no what go on. Long time we not do a vlog. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. That's it, people. Right, that's how they sell fruits and every little thing, is it? So the fruits gone now. Who thinks I'm should have a juicy patty? Right now I feel like I could eat a juicy patty. I go and sort out some business first and then I got a juicy patty. Right here's a Scotia used today, see it? CBIC over there, so digital right there, so and car parts place there right here, so I'm going to check them. See if them have one parts to my mother vehicle. Then here, rapid auto. Alright, people, so then have what I want, you know. Right now, I have to go down the road. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, I did. No, I'm good. I'm good, alright? I'm not go far. I'm not go far.
From the corner, down the road.
Boy, people put on down and sun hot, you know? Yeah, man. Sun hot, man. Yo, where are they? Yeah, people say it's Jamaica favorite restaurant there, you know, man. Over there's a KFC there, see it? Yeah, man, KFC there, right over there, so. Right over there, so you find the KFC. So this is Love Lane. See the sign there? Love Lane. Over there, so you have a good little pharmacy, is it? Pharmacy over there, so. Yes, is over there. No, yes, is. Yes, is. Posh nightclub there too. You have one supermarket right there too. Petals. Over there, so you have a pizza shop. Still not your friend. So we approach credit union, is it? Right, there's a credit union there. Right, there's a pass one gas station, you know. Oh, I hear this. Yeah, everything there. So see, real Jamaica ground for provision. You know? Yeah, man. To the camera turn, brother. See, clean, huh? Clean and nice. Over there you have Port Antonio Old Marina. Yeah, if you can see it from over that side there. Yeah. I pass a Verity store. They say I have Singer. Welcome to Singer, Port Antonio. I think right on the side here is a welding shop. Yeah, then the welding right here, so right on the corner, so you see it. Right over there, so. Supposed to have electronics, carb hardware and electronic supplies right over there, so. Up there, so you have dentist, doctor's office, symphony, the Singer Plaza. Over there, so over there to your left, yeah, you have fire station over there, so. Yeah. You approach the plaza here where I go now. Car parts. We always get car parts right here, so. Always get car parts right here, so. See there? Car come. Car parts. Hello. Right here, so you have see there? Then rent car right here, so you see this is a car rental mart. 42 West Street.
You don't know the sign, you can carve it, copy of the